In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Lovable AI. Templates are the fastest way to spin up polished e-commerce sites, portfolios, and blogs without starting from scratch. Here's how to go from a blank canvas to a customized build in minutes. Start on your Lovable dashboard and open the template library. Browse the categories to see what fits your project, then preview a few options. When you find the one you like, click it to launch a new project instantly. No setup required. If you're already in the composer, you can also click the plus button and choose Use a template to apply it to a brand new project or to an existing one you want to restyle. Quick note before we go deeper. If you're new to Lovable, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description, so you can sign in or download what you need and follow along. Once your template loads, start customizing with plain English. In the prompt box, describe what you want changed: layout, copy, images, or functionality, and let the AI update the design. Be concrete, like, on the homepage hero, switch to a split layout with a darker background and larger call to action. To speed up builds for new clients or startups, use Remix. Remix copies an existing project so you can keep proven patterns and swap branding, pages, and content without rebuilding. For hands-on adjustments, open the visual editor from the bottom left, or press Alt+S. Click directly on the live preview to edit text, replace images, tweak spacing, and move sections. If you prefer directing changes, open the chat and give custom instructions to adjust styles, add new sections, or modify functionality without writing code. For global polish, visit the Themes tab in the Design panel and change colors, typography, and component styles. Your edits cascade across the entire template instantly, keeping everything consistent. A few best practices make the AI even faster. Be specific and name the exact page or component you want to change. When a design needs nuance, upload screenshots to guide the AI. Add a feature in the prompt to introduce new components or sections to a template. And iterate in stages. Ship a header, then a hero, then product cards, so you don't overload the system with a giant request all at once. With these techniques, templates become a launchpad, not a limitation. Dive in, remix confidently, and refine visually or with chat until it's perfect. Thanks for watching.